Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be an extension of a video I posted a few days ago regarding the new Nvidia Driver 471.41 and how this is running with my RTX 3080 and the i9-10900K. I'm running the same settings as my recent setup video, which you can see in the link above. I want to say thanks for your feedback on the recent poll I posted on my community tab. Based on those results, I decided to produce this video with a more extensive look at the benchmarking. I decided to use 5 different aircraft for the demo. I also used 5 different locations and I tried to make them quite different. Some are in more urban areas and some are in more natural areas. My main objective is to get consistent performance, no matter where I'm flying or what I'm flying. And if you've been watching my channel for a while now, you'll notice that I have been changing my settings based on what I'm flying and where I'm flying. However, I've been really working towards making this consistent so I don't have to always change the settings. So here are my in-game VR settings, which are the same as the last video. It's important to know that I'm using the same VR settings throughout the demonstrations, and the idea is that I get a consistent frame rate and performance in VR. And without further ado, let's start the demos. And here we are in Chicago, USA, flying low with a Robin Cap 10. I'll just take a minute to explain what I've put on the screen. On the bottom left, I've cropped out a section of the binocular view, and the idea is that you can see it for what it is in VR in terms of clarity and smoothness. Obviously I can never reproduce the VR experience, but that's the closest I think I can get in terms of showing the smoothness and clarity. On the bottom right hand side, you've got my task manager. I didn't show any more details because it would have taken up too much of the screen, but it's something I could look at next time if people wanted that. So you can see the processes happening there, and on the left of it we've got the in-game FPS counter. So I hope combining this information gives you a real sense of what kind of performance I'm getting now. And it'll be good to use them as a reference in the future so we can see the actual differences and improvements as time goes by, as VR is developed. Again, I'm not holding my breath for massive improvements in VR next week because they've already told us that they will be working on it for the rest of the year into next year. However, I do believe we'll get some improvements in performance. So here you can see I'm getting around 30 FPS and I'm getting a really smooth and enjoyable experience, even flying through close to the buildings. And if you look at my task manager, you'll see that the GPU is pushed to 100% and the CPU is around 35–40%. So I'll be definitely making some comparisons to this once the update's been done next week. I hope watching these demos and seeing all the related information regarding performance helps you guys get an understanding of where I am at with my system at the moment. I won't talk through the rest of the video because I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Remember guys, the key is consistency here. I'm trying to get a consistent performance no matter what aircraft I'm flying or where I'm flying. Please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoy my content. I'm really pleased with the positive feedback I've been getting lately, and I really enjoy making these videos for you. I'm especially excited to make some good content for you after the update's been implemented next week. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to get back to you. Anyway, that's enough from me. I hope you enjoy the rest of the demos, and in the meantime, take care and stay safe.